What we're going to do is we're going to solve the following systems of equation. And you notice we have x plus 3y is equal to negative 4 and x plus y is equal to 0. I've decided to solve for one of the variables. In this case, I'm going to solve for y. So I have x plus y is equal to 0. If I'm solving for y, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And what I'm left with is with the equation y equals negative x. So I use the second equation to solve for y. With that information, what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute that information into the first equation. Okay? So I'm going to show my work right here. So we have x plus 3y is equal to negative 4. And since I know that y is equal to negative x, I'm going to go ahead and substitute negative x for y. So I have x plus 3. And since I know that y is negative x, I'm going to substitute with the y. I'm going to substitute negative x is equal to negative 4. And you notice now we just have one variable. So I have x, and then 3 times negative x is negative 3x is equal to negative 4. What I'm going to do on the left side, I'm going to simplify the equation. And I have x minus 3x, which gives us negative 2x is equal to negative 4. And since we're multiplying negative 2 times x, we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by negative 2. So I have x is equal to negative 4 divided by negative 2 is 2. Now we're not done. What we have to do is now we have to find the y value. So we have x is equal to 2. So we're going to go back and substitute, and we have y is equal to negative x. In this case, it's 2. So we have y is equal to negative 2. So what is the solution to this system? 2, negative 2. That is where the two lines intersect. So the solution to this equation is 2, negative 2.